Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change an Audi A3 tire. First, prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a firm, flat surface away from traffic. Engage the parking brake and activate your hazard lights to alert others. Next, retrieve your spare tire, jack, lug wrench, and any specific wheel bolt tools from your trunk. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and safer. Now, let's get started. If your Audi has wheel bolt covers, use the small hook tool to remove them. Then, using your lug wrench, loosen each lug nut by turning it counterclockwise, about 1/2 to 1 full turn. Do not remove them completely yet. Find the correct jacking point on your car's frame, typically indicated by an arrow or notch near the wheel. Position the jack and slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is approximately 2 inches clear of the ground. With the car safely lifted, you can now fully remove all the lug nuts. Place them in a secure spot so they don't roll away. Carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Now, lift your spare tire, align its holes with the wheel studs, and slide it onto the hub. Once the spare is seated flush, hand tighten each lug nut onto its stud. Once the spare tire is hand tightened, slowly lower your Audi A3 until the tire is fully on the ground. Remove the jack. Now, using your lug wrench, tighten the nuts in a star pattern for even pressure. For optimal safety, use a torque wrench to tighten each lug nut to 120 Newton meters or 89 foot-pounds. Finally, after driving 50 to 100 miles, it is crucial to recheck the lug nut torque to ensure they remain securely fastened.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.